What is the most important English skill? What skill must you have to communicate well? Obviously, number 1 is fluency. What is the fluency? Fluency is the ability to speak English quickly and easily. Without translation. Fluency means you can talk easily with native speakers. They easily understand you, and easily understand them. In fact, you speak and understand instantly. Fluency is your most important English goal. The research is clear. There is only one way to get fluency. You do not get fluency by studying textbooks. You do not get fluency by going to English schools. You do not get fluency by studying grammar rules. Listening is the key. To get English fluency, you must have a lot of understandable repetitive listening. That is the only way. To be a fantastic English speaker, you must learn English with ears, not with your eyes. In other words, you must listen. Your ears are the key to excellent speaking. What kind of listening is best? Well, it must be understandable and must be repetitive. Both of those words are important: understandable and repetitive. If you don't understand, you learn nothing. You will not improve. That's why listening to English TV does not help you. You don't understand most of it. It is too difficult. It is too fast. It's obvious, right? If you do not understand, you will not improve. So, the best listening material is easy. That's right. You should listen mostly to easy English. Most students listen English that is much too difficult. They don't understand enough, and so they learn slowly. Listen to easier English, and your speaking will improve faster. Understanding is only half the formula. Understanding is not enough. You must also have a lot of repetition. If you hear a new word only once, you will soon forget it. If you hear it 5 times, you will still probably forget it. You must hear new words and new grammar many times before you will understand them instantly. How many times is necessary? Most people must hear a new word 30 times to remember it forever. To know a word and instantly understand it, you probably need to hear it 50 to 100 times.